Welcome back, students. Study time now. So students, the last class we had done the revision of English chapter 2, and we have also completed the revision part of chapter 1. So we have covered chapter 1 and 2 in English. Now today we will be doing the revision portion of active English, that is chapter 1 and 2 of active English. Okay. Now in this particular revision class, I will just explain to you about how you are supposed to find and search for the correct options by reading the question, understanding the question, and helping you to select the correct options given. All you have to do is, it will be a totally multiple choice question. All you will have to do is just read the question, understand the sentence, and you have to read all the options and select the correct option and click on the correct option. You don't hear when I'm doing it, I will be ticking and showing you the right answer. But in the exam, you will have to just click on the correct options. Am I clear? I hope it is clear. So can we start now? On your screen you have Active English chapter 1 and 2 revision. Now choose the correct sentence for joining the sentence using while. Now this is the first chapter in your Active English. I read the question again. Choose the correct sentence for joining the sentences using while. Let us see the options given as, like, the first option is Maya was writing while Annu was sleeping. The second option, Maya was writing while Annu was sleeping too. Now again let us see the choose the correct sentence for joining the sentences using while. Now while we'll have to see where in this particular chapter. If you recollect, there are sentences where the word while starts at the beginning of the sentence, and also the word appears in the middle of the sentence. So here this particular option, in one option A, Maya was writing while Annu was sleeping. Now while is placed in the middle of the sentence. Second, Maya was writing while Annu was sleeping too. No, I don't think so that two is needed over there. So the correct answer is the option A, that is Maya was writing while Annu was sleeping. Okay. Now we go to the next. While Maya was playing a piano, Prem was reading a newspaper. Now in this particular sentence, the word while is beginning at the while is written at the beginning of the sentence. Okay. Now option B, while Maya was playing a piano, Prem has read a newspaper. Now the correct option has to be while Maya was playing a piano, at the same time Prem was reading a newspaper. So the correct option is option A. We move further. Next, third one. While the boys were swimming, the girls were sitting on a beach. I hope you remember a picture was shown wherein the boys were swimming and the girls were sitting on the beach. So now this question, while the boys were swimming, the girls will be sitting on the beach. Second option, while the boys were swimming, the girls were sitting on the beach. You had seen in that picture the boys were swimming and at the same time the girls were sitting on the beach. But the first option says that boys were swimming but the girls will be sitting. Right now they are not sitting but they will be sitting. So that is not the option. That is not the correct answer. The correct answer is option B. While The boys were swimming, the girls were sitting on the beach. We move further. Now here we have another question. Choose the correct answer. Let us see. Number 1. Many children dash to school by bus. Okay, the options given are, you don't have to write anything on that dash. You have to just click the correct answer. Okay. Many children dash to school by bus. First one, wander. Second, B option, travel. C option, voyage. Now many children wander to school. What is the meaning of wander? Wander means just roam about without any aim, looking here and there. That is called wandering. So many children wander to school by bus. Doesn't sound good. Correct. B, travel to school by bus. Okay, that sounds sensible. C, voyage. Many children voyage to school by bus. You know what is the meaning of voyage? Voyage means journey. You're traveling to a far off place, either by a aircraft or by sea. That is when it's a long journey, long distance journey is called is called a voyage. So many children, the correct option has to be travel to school by bus. Now we move further. Option 2. Well done, said the teacher. There has been a big dash in your work. Now there is a class going on. The teacher is appreciating some student for his or her performance. Maybe she's distributing the answer sheets, or maybe she's giving out the progress report, and so she's praising someone or she's appreciating someone. So the options given are A, one important, B, proof, C, improvement. Now, well done, said the teacher. You understood, I told you the situation. There has been a big dash in your work. Will it be important? There has been a big important in your work. Doesn't sound sensible. 2. Second, proof. There has been a big proof in your work. What is the meaning of proof? Proof means we are giving some sort of evidence, witness. We are showing, somebody is asking, show me the proof. So you are telling, see, this is the proof that I have done this work. So that proof doesn't fit in this particular sentence. So then we go to option C. What is option C? It's improvement. Yes, so this word fits in that sentence. Well done, said the teacher. There has been a big improvement in your work. So the correct option is option C. We move on to the next 9. Okay, number 3. I wish you dash tell me the answer to this question. I wish you dash tell me the answer to this question. The options are A, will, B, would, C, can. Now, I wish, teacher is wishing, somebody is wishing that person, the person opposite person might tell the answer to this question. I'm wishing. So, the correct will, would, or the third option is can. I wish you will tell me the answer to this question doesn't sound good. B, I wish you would tell me the answer to this question. That sounds correct. And third is, I wish you can tell me. Can also doesn't sound proper. So the correct option is option B, would. Now we move to the next one. I wish you dash, okay, we go to the next question. choose the answer which makes the sentence with the same meaning. Now there is a sentence given to you. You will, when you read that sentence, you should understand the meaning, and there will be some options given. So you have to choose the correct option which will match with the sentence given. On your screen you have, let me read the sentence given. Number 1, when I switched on the television, the program had started. This is the sentence given. When I had switched on the television, the program had started. Let us see which option matches with that sentence given. A, the program started when I switched on the television. It says, this option says, when I switched on the television, the same time the this thing started. Option B, the program started before I switched on the television. This means that when you had switched on the television, the program was in progress. Suppose any dance or song was going on, it was in progress. Option C, the program started as I switched on the television. Okay, so now what was the sentence given there? When I switched on the television, the program had started. So the option B, like look at the option, program started before I switched on the television, is the correct option. That is option B. Now let us move ahead. He did not cross the road until the light had turned green. He did not cross the road until the light had turned green. Simple. You can understand this. Until the light had turned green, the person did not cross the road. This is the meaning of that sentence. Let us see the option. He crossed the road during the light had turned green. The light was on and the person is crossing. Option B, he crossed the road after the light had turned green. Option C, he crossed the road before the light had turned green. So what should be the correct option, students, according to the sentence given? Until the light had turned green, that person did not cross the road. So the correct option has to be option B, he crossed the road after the light had turned green. Okay, we move to the next. They did not leave the cinema before the film ended. They watched the entire film. When the film ended, only then they left the cinema hall. Okay, now let us see the options. A, they left the cinema when the film was ending. Okay, this means that when a film is not, it has not finished over, the film is not over yet, it is just ending, it will end now, but that time they left the cinema. Option B, they left the cinema as the film was ending. As the ending was going on, they were just walking. C, they left the cinema after the film had ended. After the film has ended, then they got up from their seats and they left the cinema. So according to the sentence given, they did not leave the cinema before the film ended. The correct option has to be option C. Okay. Now here we come to the next question again. Choose the best answer. Here, 1. Dash, he had read the book, comma, there's a pause, he gave it to his sister. Now again I'm telling you, students, if there is a dash, you don't think that I have to write there something. You don't have to write anything. You just have to click on the option, right option given. Okay. Now, dash, he had read the book, he gave it to his sister. Now option A, while. Option B, for. Option C, after. Now let us try for option A. While he had read the book, he gave it to his sister. I am not able to get what is meant by that. Actually, that it is not clear to me. B. For he had read the book, he gave it to his sister. This also doesn't sound proper for me. C. After he had read the book, he gave it to his sister. Okay. So it is very clear. It has to be option C. Okay. Now, here is another example for you. Although it was summer, option A, but it was a cold day. Next, B, so it was a cold day. C, it was a cold day. Now we can connect those options to the sentence. Although it was summer, but it was a cold day doesn't sound appropriate. Although it was summer, so it was a cold day, that too doesn't fit in. Although it was summer, it was a cold day. Though it was summer, it was a cold day. So the correct option here is option C. It was a cold day. Although it was summer, it was a cold day. So students, I hope you have understood how the way we have to go about this. I'm repeating, you have to just read the sentence and read the options correctly and choose the correct options and click on the correct option given there, wherever it will be. Maybe there are some places there will be 2 options or 3 options. Okay, all you have to do is understand the sentence and choose the correct options given. Okay, revise whatever is given to you in your worksheet has been given to you. Then you must have purchased your textbooks. So Active English book, I hope you have started writing. We have also sent you some of you must be not having textbooks, so we have sent you we have scanned and sent the pages which are there for the exams. So you can revise those chapters again and again. Go through the video lessons what we have done for chapter 1 and 2. So you will get a clear idea, and I'm sure you will be able to do this exam, and you will be able to choose the correct options and do well in this test. Okay, so till we meet next, we have a nice day.